Come on!
Oh!
You're watching Hurley Films. Got it? Okay, camera.
All right, it's on. Talk to it. Let's see. All right, tell them what we're doing.
We're gonna go fix the truck.
What about the truck we're gonna fix?
We're gonna try to fix the,
Hold it out so they can see your face.
I don't know.
You don't know? We're back here in the barn with the old 1971 C50 dump truck. And when we last left off in the adventure, the thing that was not working yet was the brakes. So we hunted all over, and when I say all over, I mean all over Oklahoma City, trying to find a master brake cylinder for this thing. And guess what?
I saw this.
Check that out. We found a brand new master cylinder for this truck. So we're gonna try to put it on and see if we can get lucky. And maybe this master cylinder, maybe the brake lines are clear. And maybe the brakes will actually work with this new master cylinder. Uncle Austin just got here.
A lot of optimism coming around over here.
What?
Said yeah, you're pretty optimistic about it.
Daddy?
What do you think? Do you think it's gonna work, or do you think we're wasting our time?
Wasting our time on the video. Let's do it.
You're wasting time on video?
You never know till you try.
All right, we're gonna set the tripod up here and see if we can't make this happen. All right, Hurley, what is this part?
I did not know what it's called. Oh, what's on it?
It's got brake fluid. What do you think this help controls?
The brakes?
The brakes?
Makes you go faster.
It's a brake master cylinder. Can you say that?
Brake master cylinder.
All right, let's put the new one on and see if it gives us any better result. That gasket looks pretty horrible, but we're gonna ride with it. You find it?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Took you 30 minutes.
Good job, Bubba. Brake fluid. This is not the right kind, though.
That is. Really? I see.
Oh, that's just water.
It looks like water.
You can drink it. It's good for you, like Gatorade.
No.
All right, I wonder if it'll work. You think it'll work now?
Yeah.
Pump it. That little. Oh!
It's going down.
What happened there?
Now we'll get to see if it actually still runs. You think it's gonna still run?
I hope.
You think so? Okay, let's turn it over. Fuel moving in that line.
Go. Yeah. It's moving. Oh! Oh my goodness! He's a little dusty. What's wrong?
It's dusty.
We're cooking now until one of these belts snaps.
So the brakes are moving, which is better because before the brakes,
Probably gonna have to bleed them
Before the brakes, we're not doing anything, but I assume we're probably gonna have to bleed the crap out of the lines, which I think would be way easier to do out there than back here.
He just wants to move it. He's
So-
got to drive it.
I think we need to try to see if we get this door open.
All right, here's the real test. It wasn't.
So it's not started off well.
It's not the truck. It's if we can get this open.
Just taking the lock off is hard, so.
It's okay. It's just straight rust.
no.
We need a pry bar to get it going.
Oh
Oh!
no! There's a pry bar.
Yeah.
Right there.
Pry bar.
And right there.
Oh yeah.
Anybody need an old light fixture?
There you go.
Oh,
This one's the one I'm concerned about.
there's so much dirt piled up.
But it's also, if you look at it,
Dad,
I think it's going into this. Oh yeah. Let's see your crowbar that you were driving about a second ago.
Yeah. We're gonna need to go get a shovel. Look at all the dirt.
looking at it.
Look at all that.
Look.
Yeah, it's a little built up.
Kawasaki man.
Brake, man. I feel that brake.
Oh, really?
$700, baby. Runs like a champ. Every now and then.
Look up, look.
Is it running?
That new master cylinder is the one it needed, but we need to bleed the lines.
Okay.
Today's the day. It comes out of the darkness,
Well, the dump worked though.
and then we realize what other problems we have
Then you
to
realize
fix.
you gotta get a new hydraulic cylinder for the whole dump bed.
Digging out the doors, digging out the doors. Here's where your problem is. Rails, man. It's going down too, so it's gonna. You're gonna have to dig it all the way up. It gets lower as it goes. Barns.
No, that's the bottom of it right there.
Well, it's
No,
by
look, I mean, look
He's
at the
talking about
rail.
going out. And also the siding, if you take a look, it's also protruding out this way at the bottom too.
Maybe jammed into that pole.
We might need to just strap the truck
I believe
to
it is jammed into the pole.
It just back
I
up.
think it's jammed into the pole.
Put that.
We could tie a chain to this, put it on the truck, and pull it that way.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Black Widow. Black Widow.
That is not a black widow. That's not a black widow.
It's one of those jumping spiders.
If you jump on you, you'll think it's a Black Widow. Yeah, baby.
I mean, a chain and a truck would do
If I
pretty
had
good.
my truck here, we could get that pry bar out. So I'm down one truck. Tim's got it. He already charged. He's already up $650 on me.
Okay, so we gotta figure out something else. It's not
Yeah.
the bar. The barn is. The barn is doing this.
Kind of a this thing.
Kind of
Look
this.
at it.
We may have to. Hey, bring your truck around here. We'll tie onto that
Pull
pole.
and just yank it off. That's
Yank
what
it
I'm
over.
saying.
That's the trick.
That's what we're gonna do. A little Yank City.
You got any chain?
Oh, I've got chain.
Got chain. I got chain. Harbor Freight, baby.
Harbor Freight special.
Buy one, get one.
Because one of them's probably gonna break eventually. Yeah, there we go. Now we're talking.
Go low, baby. Go low.
As low as we can get.
Alright. Keep wrapping. Don't get cheap
Now,
on me.
don't get cheap on me.
Hey, we don't want to really pull it out. We just want to get it.
Ho, ho, ho! There we go. That's what we're talking
Back
about.
up. Beautiful, man. Oh yeah, now it's just flying.
Is it? No, it's just going straight
That
off.
was it.
That was the problem.
Into this You don't have a hammer, do you? Big hammer?
Oh, we got a big hammer.
We need to hammer this
We jammed.
frame down a little more.
They're working. This morning, Hurley and Josie and I watched Tall Tale.
Help with the blue ox.
Saw John Henry.
John Henry. Here.
20-pound sledgehammer.
Austin, get down there and hold it for you.
Sparkling.
Hold
I
it.
need a shot. I need a shaker.
I need a shaker, not a breaker.
I don't know about you, but that ain't moving.
No, it's going down. It'll slide open real easy.
A couple more times, baby. Get down on the inside.
Oh. Oh.
You're never gonna get it back in if you do that.
Creating a little wiggle room. Oh yeah, there you go.
Let the hammer do the work.
And the barn falls. You're completely out of it now. I just think we need to dig that dirt out. Oh. Now you're stuck on the pole again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
It's moving further and further out because of the barn.
The barn's pushing it out.
Please. Yeah, we're gonna
I think the pole's gonna have to.
maybe go out.
Pole's gonna have to go.
Pull it.
Blowing off. You know, the doors are on here after the tornado. It's all because of that pole.
Concrete got it. Looky there. Time to
Let the truck be free.
Is that mirroring your way? Push. Okay, open. Yeah, that's getting pressure now. Open. So stop. Now close.
Still going. It's pushing out fluid now, though.
Not all fluid.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now we got full pressure. Push. All right.
Ready?
Open. You can stop it if it's all fluid.
Yeah, that was all fluid.
Whoa! Got that on video.
All right. Here's how it all ends, right here.
You need to explain what the issue at hand is.
Hey. So the issue at hand
Let's see what
is
happens.
that these are this tall, and the barn opening is that tall.
You gotta want it. It's alive. Oh, it's so low now. Yeah, okay. Not right there. It may drop down a little bit. Keep going. You got like 5 feet.
Oh, break! Come on!
Oh! There we go. We're good.
It's out!
We did it.
Holy minor damage!
Your brakes work? He has no brakes.
No brakes?
Sweet. He's alive.
It's in the sunshine! He did.
Yeah.
It's the next day. Well, the audio during this little section here, I guess I had some water in the mic or something, but I'll just paraphrase everything I'm saying here. I'm basically saying this the C50 is kind of turned into a series, so it's been kind of fun getting it going, but the truck is running, it's outside. We've got some issues with the brakes that we still have to figure out. And that's kind of the problem that you get with these old trucks when they've just been sitting for so long. You get one thing that kind of leads to the other, and we ended up trying to see if the dump bed would work the day before this too, and it also wasn't working. So we've got dump bed to fix, we got brakes to fix. There's lots of things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, let us know what you think of the truck, and we'll see you on the next video.
I don't want to sing.
I thought you said you wanted to sing.
You
So I
sing.
started a video. Sing me Twinkle Twinkle.
I don't know singing.
Sing me any song you want.
I don't know this one.
How about cheese?
Cheese.